Like, don't watch my videos and then think the way I'm doing it is the way it has to be done. You can do what you want. Like, express your creativity. Like, you can have it. I said I don't like them flush with the sides, but you can totally do that if you want to do that. You can have a big step. You can have a step that comes under more than the sides of the collet, or flat, or whatever you want. Like, it's up to you. Like, be creative, be artistic. Or it might be beneficial to you if I say you have to make it exactly the way I've made it, because by doing that you're practicing getting shapes and things put together in a specific way, and that actually empowers you to make it how you want to make it in the future. Does that make sense? So not just like, do what you want, doesn't matter. That's probably bad advice. It should be like, get it like this, because this is probably, if I think about it, this is how I've learned to make jewellery, by getting things exactly how people have asked me to get it, and then now by doing that, and now I have ability to do what I want to do, and like I've got this power to shape metal exactly how I want it to be done. So up to you. Maybe just saying be artistic, be creative might give you a mindset of like being a bit slapdash and just forgiving yourself when you're making mistakes. It's probably a bad thing to do. Yeah, make it exactly the way I've done it. Don't do anything different than the way I've done it, okay?